Fed discovered hyperspace sickness what year Jason Callister fate neve come home from outer space. Te brugnie Katsi devra pas du pin coton en gaose so we will hurt yourself, bui was ti out tor, cotin ta strange between place ta nobody really understood, butin to wish space goer were expected to fin te en solve so te cool traverse to ter with non traversable distance between solar system. Non kne otu treaim, non kne wit jmpad affected in ta way in te first place. Jess oasis. Shewa to lit to understand we daddy had gone out and tot black, or wish could invisible in hospital not aid retourner. Je didn't understand Aladin retourner à Hal. No really. Eventually, te plus a variety of safety measure in place to prevent in human lady hyperspace sickness, te call it, for one of anything more imaginative. Baffle plate, médication, dietary modification, psychological prebitrene counselor. Altisse ematu el prevent phenomenon, buton se yugon don tarad, past 2000 discomfort of across dimensional lipointot genuine psychosis caused bis tarientot a abis taroissin reali en abis a albitatim teroissin anitinianion cool dodo. Some spacer mad serway out of it afte atim. Most didin. When jes wa 12, teler visir fate. Was intraped in gaos anymore, se emet to have lost te desire to hurt yourself. Ted given imas small room to just it looked like an apartment. Chewin, hermoté juste blanc air. Mo mad bin sad trug de long trip tout hospital. When just sat down next to her fate, looked a air en smiled. Lifted down stroked air. You'll go soon, said quietly, un tot black. You'll boca. Don't be afraid. As mal sound came from just moté, standing juste blanc air. Mom dit d'un lit que air total cabou joining earthfed, tout just had decided a wash wanted to do. Space cal to air, forceau maniriason. Mom mad a noté small sound, anges realised air moté wa crying. Air fat ergaz tournait, looking vejacid. Ioka, analyse, said, voice so quiet, so careful. Goaya dans Marim. Yul Blapi. Tessat fort a fait minute, Jess just holding erfateran. Chebaroli remembred what had been like before te black had aken him, but he did, right now, gave her a strange feeling of peace and love. Wish wal shenade from erfate right now. On te way home, a journée of to interstatel, a solar Airbus. En a commute chute tla, jas mom broc donne, smalan chatterait dans viping a chelouked out at quand sa landscape sleeping be outzid. Jas mauvais da close to RH cooled, protecting air, blocking air from te curious looks turnazerway. Mom? Chasked. Mom chou carried. Taoa te first timely spoken sense. Je dis d'un nail to finished sentence. Jess understood. Chevraped der a rein a round der moté en L der close. Jess joigne air te fait don air étante birthday. Mad air peace with te décision. Shed also remarié, tout amant shed mais a février cafté ta visite tout ce jas faté. Your fate kne, je sais tout jess afté te wedding, afté for glass of champagne. Kne format en evenement. Jess just nodded. It se made strange to mom, but to Jess it just made sens. Jas first commission a on boire a colon ishi prunin supplitri between ert en faralen. Ert first out of system settlement, faralen and grumby lip en boon since I discovery, absorbing adventurer, entrepreneur, en peuple WHO just wanted out from det ponderou, slow revival offert. Tom planewa coming out from det pal of certain dit ta adel dit force au long, but it was delicate. Some people just wanted fresh air en a place to live where they could stretch without punching an egg boring to face. The ship sat for a few days in orbit, waiting for final order en attending to minor maintenance will to create team to rest en visite planet. Jess liquid Faralen. It was green on wheel, hot set clever friendly in a you, si they were Jess found dondring. 12 hours before ever scheduled to head back out, Jess go a message from Earth. In her small quarter on board ship, shopnet data packet, which had followed ship at truth wormhole trade ago, on her work computé. It was hermoté, ready dango 1. Jess blinked. Chadin sin hermoté écrit in a long team. No sincerveding, in fact. On te recording, je push down against Tony. I'm sorry, honey, je said. I wish I could tell you the in person, but. Je trailed off, talk a careful breath. Your father gone, Jess. Passed away. Jess swallowed her. Divorce made distant, une orale. Her face was cold, tenot. I'm sorry, hermoté said again, hot that Astriam winked out. The ship shoved off, departing Faralen station for Urlate. In her cabin, Jess fastened her strap en webbing, preparing for hyperspace jump. Elle required médication honte table. Chadin tacanit. The ship made a very specific noise when it moved into hyperspace. Jess knet soon chadirit numéro team to go to pilot se medvron, Starker. She closed her yat ship made a strange jolt. All around her, the metal scrammed. Somewhere, in some possible dimension, titripa dans dead with the ship prepared to piece. Strong truck the of the wormhole, nove tube recovered. No in t dimension, tug. Jess open her eye. Her fate sat in tub next to her. Dad? Smiled. Jess. I go to see you. Mom said you were dead. I distant for a moment, I were searching for something in memory. He said slowly. I am. Turn. In the place where you En warrior. She rugged. I'm no sure. You cross through gabublo or you die. My tight. But I'm alive. He. En so ami. Citated, taking Erin, en finalisme led, expression varment full of pride. I love you so much, Jess. I just wanted you to nota. Jess face out. When Hatch started to cry, she tried to ria out, to touch him, but en what's she to blink. I love you too, Dad. De la net over her, en she felt the faintest brush of a kiss against her forehead. You're going to do great, honey. You're going to be wonderful. Moved back, I was holding Erin warm embrassant. Not take your pill. She couldn't react pill, but some of it water, dissolving on her tongue. A wave of nausea passed through her, and she closed her eye. When she opened them, her fate wagon, and the sound of the ship had settled into the familiar rhythm of a smooth journey through hyperspace. Jess smiled and unbuckled her belt. It was time to get back to work,